Good morning, everyone. This is Sobi. Remember me from Sobi Sells Their Properties here in Sosúa, Dominican Republic. Just wishing everyone a super Saturday and a wonderful weekend. And don't forget, if you have any real estate questions about moving or retiring to the Dominican Republic, don't hesitate to reach out to Sobi Sales with any question. I'm here to help you. Have a wonderful weekend. From the Sobi Sells Their Property team, and I'm here with my beautiful crew. Come on, baby. Come on, Superbad. Come on, Superbad. And this is Melania here. This is Melania. This is my handsome Superbad. My little girl. Okay, my love. I love you so much. Bye-bye. It's time for Sobi to get to work. But first, let me take a sip of my coffee. This is good coffee. Let's go, kiddo. Time to get to work.